Thank you so much for this. We are here with the big dogs in Addison, Texas. And we were talking about you becoming our client, maybe. Can you tell us about it?
Yes, so I am new to Dallas. I've only been here for a couple months, and I'm an experienced investor from Atlanta, Georgia. I've done many fix and flips. I've done many different types of wholesale deals and commercial multifamily. And I've researched a lot of different types of software programs to help me find leads. And as of today, I have found that Real Estate IQ is the best source for lead generation to find me the best leads off market with the data analysis and the CMA. So I am a loyal customer.
Oh, thank you, Chris, so much for the testimonial. Tell us about the research. You were doing some research?
I was doing research with other software companies, for example, like of RedX, and using some of the other MLS systems, which I have full access to, even with Yardi and CoStar. But none have given me the type of information to give me the equity percentages and the different scenarios that Real Estate IQ has given me. And therefore, I am very happy with what I've seen so far.
Thank you, Chris, so much.
Thank you.
For limited time only, you can sign up for our Real Estate Deal of the Day subscription for free. So what happens is every day, from Monday to Saturday, we have a deal expert that uses our system, finds a good-looking, high-potential deal, and we analyze it and we blog about it. So we want to share with you what a good deal looks like and what kind of factors you should be considering when you're analyzing real estate investment deals. A really, really good educational piece for those of you who are trying to learn, get started, because the most important thing is you need to find good deals, and in order to do that, you need to know what a good deal looks like. So make sure you sign up for this free publication. We want to bring a lot of value to you, and please enjoy it.